What is up, you guys? Nate Noble here, back again with another video. Today we are unboxing the, I'm sure you can tell by the box. Oh my god, it's heavy. Ooh. So yeah, I said I was already on Lowering Springs, but I just ended up ordering these because, yeah, I wanted to go this route. Is it route or route? I don't know where you're from. I'm in Canada. I think we say both. That's right. N25-BR, I believe, is the product number. And let's see. We have here, boom. I don't know if you can see that, but that's what it came with. That's what's up. Let's read this thing. VR type pullovers, left. Headlights, right. Of course we got this. And of course we got stickers. I don't know. I try my best not to put stickers on it, but we'll see where we put these. What the hell is this? Just like a thank you note for buying all of this. This is the rear, I believe. That's how you adjust the Of course, we got the tools. You wanna ever adjust the height and stuff. And of course the springs. see what this car looks like after the coilovers, because my rear fitment is not on point. I want that credit card flush. I want that credit card flush fitment, you know what I mean? As you can see, that is not the credit card fitment. Also at the front, not the credit card fitment. So, we're gonna have it installed by the boys at my local shop, and hopefully it will be credit card flush. Update. So I have now dialed in the coilovers, BC Racing. So when I first got it, the rear was rubbing bad. I'm gonna try to squeeze a photo of it later on in the video, but it was rubbing bad, like horribly bad. So right now I just dialed it in, so I'm just gonna put it all in one video, and now this is what it looks like.